Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, WatchMeGPT, your ultimate destination for mastering AI prompts, automating tasks, and unlocking the full potential of GPT and other AI tools. I'm Brandon, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey into the world of AI. Here on WatchMeGPT, you'll find a treasure trove of content designed to help you become an AI power user. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your skills, I cover everything from the basics of ChatGPT to advanced prompt engineering and workflow automation. I'll walk you through how to craft powerful prompts that get you to the best responses from AI. Live sessions where I demonstrate real-time techniques in answering your questions. And insider tips on automating tasks to save you time and boost productivity in both your personal and professional life. Now you might be wondering, why should I subscribe to this channel? Well, think about the possibilities. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you with emails, create content, and even analyze data. Picture yourself leveraging AI to brainstorm innovative ideas, streamline your business processes, or simply make your day-to-day tasks easier. And if you're into continuous learning, you'll love to deep dive into AI tools and techniques that I'll share every week. My goal on this channel, WatchMeGPT, is to demystify AI and make it accessible for everyone. I'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps so you can start harnessing the power of AI right away. So here's a sneak peek at what's coming up on this channel. Weekly tutorials, from beginner-friendly tips to advanced strategies. You'll get step-by-step guides on using ChatGPT and other AI tools. Live Q&A sessions. I'll host live sessions where you can ask questions, see prompt engineering in action, and get personalized advice. Exclusive content. I'm also offering one-on-one coaching and deep dive sessions to help you solve the toughest AI challenges that you may have. And don't worry, every video is designed to be easy to follow, whether you're new to AI or you're already an experienced user. So if you're ready to transform the way you work, learn, and create with AI, then hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss an update. Also, check the links in the description below for more details on how you can join my live sessions and even schedule a one-on-one coaching session with me. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious,